So as you can see over here, I kind of like transformed my dining room in some kind of a warehouse or something like that, just because I'm starting to work out with so many products and so many other clients and everything. So I was kind of like looking for a bigger, taller, but not super hard to assemble shelving unit. And this one is the one that I wanted. Don't ask me how, don't ask me why, but I took just like in between 12 to 15 minutes to put this one together, to put it together. And it was so easy, really easy, because it comes with kind of like a mechanism that you can kind of like auto lock this one. It comes with a plastic unit. So the one thing you're gonna do is just decide if you want to have wheels or if you want to have fixed legs. So you have this kind of like screws over here to put it as the legs, and it will be fixed. It will be just in one single place. Or you can have wheels, which by the way, I think it's so convenient to have this with wheels, because it's kind of like a big rolling cart mounted just like a shelving unit. And then you're gonna put these poles up here. You can put just like this 4 and then the other 4, and then put these ones on top because it comes with a screw part. Or you can just put the whole thing, but it's gonna take you a little bit of more time to get these shelves through the entire thing. And then put the plastic caps, slide the shelves one top of the other one, and that's it. Super easy, super fast. It's not going to take you more. Again, just you, nobody else. 15 minute stops, no more than that. But besides that, this unit is actually super firm and stable. This one, it is 82 by 48 by 18. So I got to say that this one is really big. It also comes with this really firm metal shelves. It comes with 6 of them actually. So you have the bottom one and the upper one actually makes this one to be a 6-tier shelving unit. It is really firm. It is super strong, all made of metal, and the wheels make it to be super convenient just to move over in case that you have like a storage unit, or you're taking this one to like a big pantry or like a restaurant or something like that. But to me, this one's gonna be in that corner over there with tons of boxes and tons of products. And by the way, you can lock the wheels if you want, so that makes it also to be super convenient and firm and stable as well. You can change the height of each one of the shelves, and of course change the way that you put them also, if you have to have kind of like a rail guard in each one of them, which is going to be this section over here, in case that you want this one to avoid things from falling instead of like slide them then. So this one, you're gonna flip it and that's it. I prefer this one so I can actually slide the things up here and just like take them with me instead of like having to leave them. But if you need to kind of like protect things from falling, you kind of like flip it and that's it. And remember, the whole unit supports 2,100 pounds. This is a super good one, really firm, really stable, with wheels or fixed legs, super easy to assemble, 6-tier, really heavy, and of course you're gonna have no issues to put this one together just by yourself. I like it. I do recommend it. This is the big one. This is the one I wanted.